Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are in halfway tree today. Straight ahead is the halfway tree clock. And we are at we are on Constant Spring Road, and straight ahead is halfway tree road. If we turn right, we would go on to Hagley Park Road, and the cars coming down, or if we were to turn left, that would be Hope Road. But Hope Road is a one-way, so we wouldn't be able to turn left, but that's Hope Road. Okay, on the left now, we're passing the NCB halfway tree branch. And then right here is the entrance to the Clock Tower Plaza. Now, straight ahead, you see how these taxis operate? Stop anywhere to pick up people. And then to make it worse now, this is the road we're in, and these cars have literally stopped on the side of the road, blocking up the lane, and of course it's a taxi. But this is Jamaica, so it's not only taxis. I'm assuming these people stopped here to go into one of these stores, and this is a yellow license plate, so it's the government in some form. But that's just how people drive in Jamaica. On the left is the Scotiabank branch, and straight ahead on the left is the Usain Bolt building. Call centers operating there. Okay, look at this one now. They have literally stopped halfway in the road, blocking up the lane, and I have no idea what they're doing. Oh, somebody's coming out. This is a typical day. Unbelievable. Jamaica really needs some traffic police. It's ridiculous. This is just halfway tree, and you saw the amount of road infractions. So one police officer on a motorbike would make such a difference. Alright, so we're on halfway tree road now. That road on the right, which has a one-way sign, that's Cargill Avenue. And we're going to turn left onto Ruthman Road, which is straight ahead. So Ruthman Road is most popular for the JPS office on it. At one time, you would have to literally go to the JPS office to pay your bill. So that's the office on the right, where you see all the people lined up outside. But you can still pay your bill over there, but you have a lot more options now. You can go to a Paymaster, you can pay it online. A lot more options to pay your light bill. Okay, straight on the left is the Hotel Four Seasons. Straight ahead is a new building. It's apartments. That brown building straight ahead. Okay, we're going to turn left here onto Winchester Road, sorry. Okay, now this section of Winchester Road has a lot of offices. The Bureau of Standards is on it, the Civil Aviation Authority is on it. Okay, on the right is the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority, and on the left here is at night they have like a restaurant, a bar back there. So when it operates, and there are certain nights when you have a large crowd, this entire road is blocked up with cars. But the Civil Aviation Authority, it's a government agency, and the police actually come and tow cars if you park in front of it. So you can park anywhere else on this road except in front of the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority. Now the reason is it's a government agency, and it's supposed to be open 24 hours a day, so they don't want people to block up the road in front of the building. And it has been done many times. The security at the restaurant or the bar will tell you don't park there, because the police will come and tow your vehicle. It must be one of the only places in Jamaica where they enforce the parking rules, especially at night. Okay, we're going on to Hope Road now. If you turn left, you take Hope Road to Halfway Tree, but we're going to turn right and take Hope Road up to the Devon House intersection. Okay, so at this intersection now, if we go straight across, we stay on Hope Road. If we turn left, we go on to Waterloo Road. And if we turn right, we go on to Trafalgar Road, and that will lead us to the New Kingston area. Now, on the left, you see there's a building being constructed, and that's Burger King. They're building, or Burger King is going to be operating out of that building. Okay, on the left now is Devon House. And Devon House is one of the great houses from back in the time of slavery. So that entire area around the house, the compound, is now like a tourist attraction. They have shops where you can go and eat, and it's most famous for the Devon House ice cream. That was their first location, and Devon House ice cream is probably the most popular ice cream in Jamaica. And it started over at the Devon House compound, but they have expanded and they are in hundreds of locations through the island now. They literally just sell the ice cream, and persons can do like a franchise thing and sell it out of their stores. Okay, on the right now we're passing Arden Road, and Arden Road is most popular for the Arden High School, which is one of the top schools in Jamaica. Now on the left is Jamaica House, and you can see it sitting down on acres upon acres of prime real estate. On the left now we're coming up to the entrance. On the left is King's House. Now this intersection, if we turn left, we go on to East King's House Road. If we turn right, we would have gone on to Lady Musgrave Road. But we're going straight and staying on Hope Road and heading towards the Ligony area. Now coming up on the left, you can see the Bob Marley sign, and that is the Bob Marley Museum. It's a very popular tourist attraction. However, it's not the most popular tourist attraction. When President Obama, or former President Obama, came to Jamaica, he actually visited the Bob Marley Museum. The most popular attraction in Jamaica is Dunn's River Falls, which is in Ocho Rios, or in St. Anne, the parish of St. Anne. And the second most popular attraction is also in Ocho Rios, which is Dolphin Cove. And the third most popular one is also in Ocho Rios. That is, I don't remember the official name for it, but it's the rainforest place where you can slide, glide, use the ropes and slide through the hills. I don't remember what you call it, but it's something to do with rainforest something. But the most popular attractions are in Ocho Rios. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.